Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into Google Workspace for personal use. You might know it as a powerful suite for businesses, but did you know it can also be a game changer for individuals? Let's get started. What is Google Workspace? Google Workspace is a collection of productivity tools from Google, including Gmail, Google Drive, Google Docs, Calendar, and more. It's designed for collaboration, but it works just as well for personal productivity and organization. Why use Google Workspace for personal use? So, why should you consider it for personal use? Here are some reasons. 1. Seamless integration. All tools are connected, making it easy to switch between tasks. 2. Enhanced features. You get professional-level features, even as an individual. 3. Storage. A Google Workspace plan offers more cloud storage than a free account. 4. Custom email. You can even set up a personal email with your own domain name. Key features for personal users. Let's break down the tools that can transform your personal productivity. 1. Gmail. Organize emails with advanced filters and labels. 2. Google Drive. Store and access your files anywhere, anytime. 3. Google Calendar. Schedule and set reminders for tasks, appointments, and even birthdays. 4. Google Docs and Sheets. Create and share documents and spreadsheets effortlessly. 5. Google Keep. Jot down notes, ideas, or to-do lists on the go. Pricing and plans. Wondering about the cost? Google Workspace personal plans start at $9.99 per month. This includes features like 1 terabyte of storage, premium video calling on Google Meet, and more personalized features. Pricing may vary by region, so make sure to check the official Google Workspace website for details. Who is it for? Google Workspace for personal use is perfect for freelancers who need professional tools, students managing projects and assignments, anyone who wants better organization in their life. So, what do you think about using Google Workspace for personal productivity? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. See you next time.